It's Steve here. Hope you're doing just great today. This is a sweet little 3-minute guitar lesson, super fast to learn Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Now, mostly I'm going to play the chords, but you can't start it out without doing that. There might be time at the very end for me to rush that. All right, here we go in G major, but the first chord's C major. So you think you in D major, that's D major, Heaven from Hell, goes down to A minor, Blue Skies from G major, can you tell a green field that goes back to D major, from a cold steel rail, C major, a C major to A minor, from a smile from a veil, do you think you can tell G? And then it just keeps going in this little cycle. They get you to trade your heroes, C major to D major, Hot Ashes to A minor, for a cool breeze, as G major, Cold Comfort for Change, D major, and did you exchange it, Walking Your Part, for the War, A minor, for a lead role in a cage, G major. And that's it, just does that over and over and over again. But that little instrumental, which I'll show you right now, is, try that with me real quick. I don't usually do notes on this channel, it's mostly chords, but let's do 3rd fret of the low E string, then open A, and you hit a hammer on right there. So hammer on is when you just hammer on your finger onto a fret, like that, right there. So you go, and then open D string, and then hit the 2nd fret of the D string. So one more time, 3rd fret of the E, open A, hammered onto the 2nd fret of the A string, pick it on the D string right there, and then the 2nd fret of the D string, and then you hit you're basically playing E minor, so you hit the open E string, and you play the E minor and put this hand right here on the 3rd fret of the the E and the B strings. So, and then that's the 2nd fret of the G string, open, 2nd fret of the D string, open G string, 2nd fret of the D string, and then open D, and then you play a G chord with those same 2 3rd fret notes right there. So. That is pretty advanced. That's not really why we're here on this beginner's channel for the most part, but I thought I'd do that because you can't have this song without that. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. That was a super fast lesson for Pink Floyd. I might have gone over 3 minutes, but don't, go crazy on me in the comments. All right, like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you next time for a 3-minute guitar lesson with me, Steve. Later.